Alrighty guys, we have another unboxing. This is unboxing mystery Hot Wheels 50 pack box number 2. The first video was pretty good and I got some good Hot Wheels out of it. This is a newer box. This is going to be 2019 Case A and I believe Case B. I haven't opened it yet, but we shall see what we get. And you guys are invited for the ride. Please do note, I do have an eBay channel, or eBay store rather, Honda Car Guy 27. So just like the YouTube channel, Honda Car Guy, all one word, add the numbers 27 at the end there. So let's go ahead and get started and find out what is in this mystery pack. It is a 50 pack Hot Wheels set. They are half cards. Meaning not full-size cards, so they can cram a lot into that little box. All right, let's see what we got. Open it up. This is my first time opening it, as well as your guys' first time seeing what we have in here. Let's take a look at the very first one. This is a very cool Dodge Mopar 87 Dodge D100. You may have seen in my last video I got one of these. It was white. This one is a tan color. It's got the spare tires and the roll bar all Baha'd out. This is part of the Baja Blazers number 1 of 10. That's a very cool find. Next up, all right, another Baja Blazers. This is Sandivore number 3 of 10. A dune buggy, cool colored Hot Wheel. Maybe I'll get the whole set in this one. All right, next up, wow, this one's really cool. Check out this Camaro. It's got the big old cowl hood. This is the 18 Copo Camaro SS. Very, very cool Hot Wheel, number 5 of 10 of the Muscle Mania series. Next up, one of the coolest little cars ever. This is the 88 Honda CRX, red in color. Very cool and classy looking car, and very nicely detailed. This is part of the Night Burners, number 3 of 10 Honda CRX. All right, next up we've got High Beam. This is part of the Baja Blasters as well, number 5 of 10. Very nice looking car, blue in color. It's got the 222 Baja Blazers on the side there. Next up, all right, for all you Volkswagen fans, we got a 49 Volkswagen Beetle pickup, number 9 of 10 of the Volkswagen series. And again, guys, just so you can see, that is Case A, 2019 new models here. All of these cars are of the freshest batch. This is pretty cool. If you're familiar with the Nitro Circus guys, this is the guy that does all the crazy stunts in a wheelchair. This is part of the Ride On series, number 5 of 5 wheelie chair. You can see he's got his signature and a very cool picture of himself there doing some kind of crazy trick in a wheelchair. That's a very cool and collectible piece right there. Next up, Too Tough, part of the Hot Wheels Hot Truck 6 of 10. Very cool color scheme. Got some red wheels, which is kind of different. It's a very cool truck. All right, Batman fans, Justice League Batmobile. This one's pretty sweet, number 5 of 5, Batman. Again, one of the newer models, Case A. Very cool car. All you comic book and movie lovers definitely find that one cool, I'm sure. 84 Audi Sport Quattro. This is again part of the Baja Blazers. Very cool car. Those of you who may be interested in rally racing, this is part of the Group B rally series that happened in the 80s. Some of the craziest and coolest cars ever came out in racing there. A very cool and classic historic racing car there. Dino Riders. We've got a very interesting lizard-like dyno car with some blue teal wheels, purple dinosaur here. Number 2 of 5, very cool car, something different. All right, for all you Mustang fans, looks like this one's got some aero kit, active aero, that's cool. 2005 Ford Mustang, it's part of the Game Over series. You can see the front of the bumper there moves up and down for aero, so whether you're snow plowing snow or, you know, whatever the case may be, crowd control, Mustang joke there. All right, next up, a Chevelle SS wagon. This is a 1970 of the Hot Wheels Flames, again 2019 series, new color. Very cool car, looks good in yellow. That I'm sure is a crowd favorite. All right, another Flames car here, 69 Dodge Charger Daytona. This is a really cool car. Again, very historical in racing, as well as just a very cool looking car, 1969 on that model. Next up, of the Xperia Motors series, Roller Toaster. Very cool. You've got some toast. It looks like the back folds down, maybe the toast goes down. Very cool and different car. Definitely something of the more extreme, crazy series. Who doesn't like El Caminos? If you've got a mullet, you've got an El Camino. This is part of the Hot Wheels Flames series. A couple of these in a row now. Definitely a very cool and collectible car. Everyone loves this generation of the El Caminos. Is a 71 SS style. You can see in the picture there. Very nice and good looking car there. Next up, we've got the Rip Rod. This is again part of the Game Over series, 2 of 5. Very cool looking little hot rod there. All right, look at this one. It's a different style than the spiky one we got last time. Dino Riders 4 of 5, the Motosaurus. This one has some pretty crazy paint job and some green spikes there. Very cool car. Go with the other Dino series there. All right, 69 Ford Torino. Very cool car. This one's customed out. It's also part of that Flame series, 4 of 10. Nice fastback looking muscle car there. Next up, Rocket Fire. This one's pretty sweet. This is part of the Space series, number 5 of 5. Very cool and crazy looking Hot Wheel there. Well, I guess if you're not an El Camino fan, you may be a Ranchero fan. Here's a 72 Ford Ranchero. This is the competitor to the El Camino. Not quite as big of a following, but these are also very cool. This is part of the Hot Truck series. Definitely a very cool Hot Wheel there. All right, who likes Ducati 1199s? That is a historic motorcycle, one of the biggest, baddest Ducatis they make. Part of the HW Moto series, 2 of 5. Very cool motorcycle there. I do see another one in here, so we'll keep it going with the motorcycles. We've got Tread Shredder. Got the 5 of 5 Moto series. Definitely a very cool. Check out the tread and the piping on that. Very cool motorcycle we got there. All right, another Camaro. This one's just the regular 18 Camaro SS. We got the Speed Graphics 3 of 10. Brembo Brake is the company on the side there. Very good brake company, very cool car. And next up, we've got the famous GT-R. This is not only the regular GT-R, but this is the sacred R34 GT-R. Everybody likes a Godzilla. This car is definitely a very cool car amongst the tuner groups, and a very impressive car. This is part of the Nissan series, 2 of 5. Wow, check this one out. Custom 72 Chevy Love. Mini truck series, hot trucks rather, but this is a old school mini truck. It's all tubbed to be lowered. Looks like it's got some big old fat tires there, all hot rodded out. Definitely a very cool and 80s themed Hot Wheels truck there. All right, so now this is definitely one of the coolest Dodge trucks. This is based off of the Little Red Express, 1978. was the greatest year of Dodge pickup truck. Not only was this truck cool because it had stacks for exhaust and a step side, but cool fun fact, 1978, this was the fastest vehicle you could buy. It used a police interceptor motor, which didn't require emissions, so you could have this truck and beat any Corvette on the road of the same year. Speaking of Corvettes, got the Corvette Grand Sport Roadster. This is part of the Roadster series, number 3 of 5. Bright yellow in color, very cool race car. Definitely something that a lot of fans will like out there. Speaking of Hot Wheels, this one's got it painted on the side. This is the 71 Ford Mustang funny car. Very cool Hot Wheel. Got the crazy paint job there, part of the Flame series, number 8 of 10. Pretty cool dragster there. 67 Shelby GT-500, Eleanor. Historical car for a movie, historical car for its awesomeness. Everybody likes a fastback Shelby. This is part of the Flame series, number 10 of 10. Man, we might get that whole set in this box. All right, another Mustang, back-to-back Mustang. This is part of the Muscle Mania. Definitely a very cool fastback Mustang. 65 2+2. For those of you who don't know, that means 2 seats in the front, 2 seats in the back. It is a 4-seater Mustang, very cool. All right, how about this one? Who likes 95 Mazda RX-7s? Everybody likes these things. This is not only just a regular RX-7, this is Mr. Mad Mike, a famous drifter and race car driver. This is what he does a lot of his sports in, mostly drifting. You can definitely check him out on YouTube and see some cool videos. Part of the Speed Graphics series. All right, we've got the Hollinator. That's a pretty good name. This is a Hot Wheels tow truck. You can put your favorite Hot Wheel there and drive it around. This is part of the Xpera Motors series, number 9 of 10. All right, Space Dunosaur. This is probably what they've got driving around on Mars right now with that whole mission. Check that thing out, gold and orange. Got the space gray wheels. Very cool series, number 1 of 5. Again, case A. Everything seems to be case A, so maybe there is no case B. All right, next up, Track Ripper. This is quite the entertaining paint job. Looks like a zebra with some pink wheels. Speed Blur series, 6 of 10. Very cool car. Probably looks good going down the Hot Wheel track. How about GT-Rs? 2 in a pack. This is pretty sweet. 17 Nissan GT-R R35 Guaczilla. That is an awesome name. This is Tanner Fox's famous GT-R R35. Speed Blur is the series, 7 of 10. Very, very cool car. I'm sure that's going to be a collectible one. Next up, classic here. Got the hot rod with the blower sticking out of the hood. This is a 64 Chevy Chevelle SS, again part of the Speed Blur series, number 10 of 10. Very, very cool car we got there as well. All right, how about the old school Datsun fans? Check this one out. I avidly collect these old school Fairlady Datsun 240, 260, 280Z cars. This is number 5 of 5 of the Nissan. And I actually do not have this color combo yet. The black and yellow looks great. Very, very cool car with the wide fenders there. Man, check that out. Another Skyline. Man, what a box. This is definitely the best box I've gotten so far. This is the old school, what they would call an R30 Skyline. Not a very common car, but a very cool car. Part of the Nightburner series. Another nice Hot Wheel there. All right, Golf. This is a pretty famous car, 68 Chevy Nova. A lot of people like that. Hot Wheel Speed Graphics. Again, Golf is the branding on the side there. Very old school style paint job. Nice Hot Wheel there. All right, custom Volkswagen Beetle. A little roof rack on top of that. Check out that rat rod Hot Wheel there. A very cool Volkswagen, part of the series of Volkswagen 8 of 10. Next up, Electrac. This is part of the Super Chrome series. Nice and gleamy, you can see that there. Very, very cool Hot Wheels. Again, probably looks really good going down the racetrack for those who definitely like to play with these things. Next up, Super Chromes, again, 2 in a row. Seems to be the box's forte here. Hover and Out as part of the Cool Speed Super Chrome series, 2 of 5. Definitely a cool and shiny Hot Wheel. Some more Volkswagens. This is the Golf MK2 or Mark II. Very cool car. I owned an orange one. They are fun to drive and definitely fun to look at. Hot Wheel. Again, the Volkswagen series is a very popular series right now. Lots of cool cars in that series. Next up, we've got the Gazella GT. Purple in color. This is a different color than last year, part of the X-Racer series. Nice, good looking car there. Another Volkswagen. This one has definitely caught a lot of the eyes of the Hot Wheels fans. I know that this is quite a popular one online right now. This is the Cafe Racer. This is the Moon Eyes graphics. Fully tracked out there, ready to race. Very cool Volkswagen, number 1 of 10. Moon Eyes has actually been on a couple of Hot Wheels. They actually have a couple of Camaros that have that branding there on the side, so they're becoming a nice part of the Hot Wheels. This is the Carbonator, and this came out with part of the Holiday series and the X-Racer series, so this is kind of cool. In the Holiday series, this is a champagne bottle, which is kind of cool. Bringing on the 2019 year, almost there, almost Christmas time and New Year's time. Flash Drive, X-Racers, crazy colors here. This is a crazy Hot Wheel. Very, very different. Probably looks really cool at night if you have some like black lights or something on the racetrack. Again, another X-Racers, Crescendo. This one's pretty sweet. All blue wheels, blue glass, blue paint, and some chrome. So, very cool looking car, number 8 of 10 of the X-Racers series. And then last but not least, El Viento. Some of you may know this is a very cool model. They did do a treasure hunt. It is a blue version of this, part of the X-Racer series. This is just the regular mainline orange series, but nonetheless a very cool looking car. And as you can see, we are out. So until next time, we'll have to get another box. Hopefully it's as good as this one. I'm definitely very happy with this box. If you have any questions or are interested in any of the cars, please comment below which ones you like, and I'll be happy to get you involved. If you want to do PayPal, I can certainly mail these out to you. We definitely collect them. Some of these I'll probably keep, but most of them will be readily available to you if you'd like. I am also going to do a mystery box giveaway. The mystery box giveaway is going to have five cars in it. It's going to have guaranteed 1 treasure hunt, and then it's going to have 4 other random cars that I pick. And all of them will be very cool, brand new in package. It will be professionally packaged and shipped, USPS for quick delivery, for that perfect surprise Christmas present if you'd like. Please comment below if you're interested in that, and I can get you some information and we can make that happen. Anyways, guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Take care and have a great day.